Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue with the same poem, Just Be Up and Doing. These are some difficult words and their meanings from within the poem. I already taught you about them. So, today I am going to give you the explanation of textual exercises. So here is the first one, B3. Complete the central idea of the poem by filling in only one word. सिर्फ एक वर्ड फिल करके आप पोएम का जो सेंट्रल आइडिया है उसे कंप्लीट करिए. The poet agrees that one faces a lot of dash and worries in life. क्या फेस कर पोइट जो है वो किस चीज़ के लिए अग्री करता है कि जो इंसान है वो क्या फेस कर रहा है, ट्रबल. ये आपको सब पोएम से ही मिल जाएगा. एंड वरीज इन लाइफ, देयर ऑल्सो आर बर्डन्स विच bend people double with their weight, but in spite of all this one must keep on working and moving towards one's goal. He further says that everyone likes to remain idle. हर किसी को खाली बैठना पसंद है and wait for the favorable time, but one must always be ready to fight if needed be. The poet adds that no one will ever fail if he tries hard, and also there is hardly anyone who can win by just sitting and waiting for good luck to come. One can only carve a path of success if one is up and work hard. सो यहाँ पे ये बताया गया है कि अगर आप बैठे रहते हैं तो ओबियसली आप कभी भी जीत नहीं पाएंगे. यू हैव टू बी अप एंड डूइंग समथिंग फॉर सक्सेस इन लाइफ. Moving on to next, B4. Match the phrases given in column A with their meanings in column B. Column A, heaps of cares. Answer is lots of worries. Keep pursuing to keep doing. See it through, not to give up a task until it finished. Like to idle, love to be carefree and happy. Making or carrying out. You are sitting, sighing, only talking and blaming. Life skills. Quote any 2-3 lines from the poem that inspire you the most. Explain in what way do these lines inspire you. ऐसी कोई 2-3 लाइन्स जो हैं किसी पोएम में से लीजिए और बताइए कि वो आपको कैसे इंस्पायर करती हैं. एंड दीज आर द लाइन्स. आप अपनी भी लाइन्स चूज कर सकते हैं. द वर्ल्ड इज़ फाइनाइट, रिसोर्सेज आर स्केयर, things are bad and will be worse. Coal is burned and gas exploded. Wells are dry and air polluted. These lines inspire us to be careful about using natural resources because they are finite. So here I am going to add my poem today. Thank you.